How to transfer money from HANDELSBANKEN to NORDEA. To transfer money from your HANDELSBANKEN account to an NORDEA account, you can use online banking, mobile banking, or visit a branch. Visit the HANDELSBANKEN website and log in to your online banking account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the transfers or payment section. You may need to add the NORDEA account as a recipient. You will need the recipient's account number, name, and possibly other details. Select the option to make a transfer or payment. Choose the NORDEA account you previously added as the recipient. Enter the amount you wish to transfer. Review the details to ensure accuracy. Confirm the transfer details and authorize the transaction using any security measures required by HANDELSBANKEN. That's it. Thanks for watching the video.